Imagine transforming your fabric stash into a stunning quilt with no waste, using just 20 fat quarters. That's the magic of turning 20 quilt patterns. These clever designs are a quilter's dream, offering a fun and efficient way to create beautiful quilts. Turning 20 quilts are perfect for beginners and experienced quilters alike. The technique involves simple cuts and straightforward piecing, resulting in a playful mix of colors and patterns that brighten any room. The best part, you'll use your fabric efficiently with no leftover pieces. If you're eager to try this technique, the Cornerstone Quilters Guild offers a free Turning 20 quilt pattern. This easy-to-follow guide includes a simple diagram to help you create your quilt block. It's designed for using 20 fat quarters, making it an ideal project for showcasing your favorite fabrics. For those looking to expand their Turning 20 repertoire, there are several pattern books available for purchase. These include variations like simply sashed designs and updated techniques that allow you to finish a quilt in as little as 5 hours. Need some inspiration? Turning 20 quilts are incredibly versatile. You can create a cheerful quilt with sunny yellows and blues, or opt for rich batik fabrics for a more sophisticated look. Cozy flannel versions with frayed edges are perfect for snuggling, while modern prints can give your quilt a contemporary edge. Some quilters even use this pattern to create festive holiday quilts or patriotic designs. Whether you're drawn to bold geometrics or prefer a scrappy look, Turning 20 quilts offer endless possibilities. They're an efficient way to use your fabric stash, a satisfying project to complete, and a beautiful addition to any home. So why not give Turning 20 a try? You might just discover your new favorite quilting technique. For more inspiration and a variety of patterns to explore, visit ilovequiltingforever.com for an inspiring collection of Turning 20 quilt patterns.